Hello little learners, welcome back. Now we are going to read chapter number 18, Will and Will Not. And the learning objective of this lesson is, by the end of this lesson, students, you will be able to know the use of will to take about permission, predictions, and how to make negative sentence with will. Come on, let's get started. Uses of will. We use will and will not for permissions, offer or for coming events, for spontaneous or quick decisions, as well as for predictions about future. Yes dear kids, हम will and will not को कहाँ use करते हैं? For promises, offer or coming event, for spontaneous or quick decisions, and for prediction about future. Come, let us see the example of promises. I promise I will make my car. This sentence expressed promise, and here we had used will. I will make my car. Come, let us see the next example. Your grandma will arrive here in few minutes. Here we are talking about for coming event. We are using will for coming event. Then spontaneous or quick decisions. Mary, my computer is not working. Don't worry. We'll help you to fix it. This is a quick and spontaneous decision where we had used will. Now prediction about future. It will be sunny tomorrow. Prediction means अंदाजा लगाना फ्यूचर के लिए. ओके, जैसे कि it will be sunny tomorrow. This sentence shows or to predict future events. This sentence show predictions or it predict future events. Alright, let's move forward and let's see more about will and will not. It's time to see positive and negative forms and its contraction. Positive form is will, whereas contraction यानी उसका short form is I will. We write will apostrophe l. Then you will. The negative form will not, and the contraction is won't. So the note here is, when we talk, we usually use contractions. I won't be able to come today. I'll be able to there within 5 minutes. Likewise. And the summary is what we had revised. Let us summarize it. There are 4 functions of will and won't. The first is to make promises. The second is offer. The third is spontaneous or quick decisions, whereas the fourth one is to make prediction about the future. Dear kids, it's time to open the textbook, page number 71. And let us see what textbook chapter will and will not says to us. Look at the picture and read the sentence. See, here is one sentence given. I'll come to see you tomorrow. You will be alright soon. The doctor is saying to the patient, to the sick boy, I'll come to see you tomorrow. You will be alright soon. We will to talk about his promise. We use will to talk about his promise. We also use will to talk about what we feel in very likely to happen. Like I told you that we use will for predictions. This is called making a prediction. Prediction. Come on, repeat with me. Prediction. Weatherman, fortune tellers, and even doctors make prediction all the time. Now, let's move forward. Now, study this table. What the doctor say? I will come to see you tomorrow. What the doctor mean? The doctor is making a promise. You will be all right in a week. तुम जल्दी ठीक हो जाओगे एक हफ्ते में. The doctor is making a prediction. Very good बच्चों. Please turn the page. Come to page number 72. Come to page number 72. Look, there is some more sentence. Let us read it out. Oh my God, it's raining. I'll go back home right now. Yes, we also use will when we make on the spot decision, spontaneous decisions. The boy makes an on the spot decision to go back home when he sees rain. Now, learn how to make negative sentence with will. We make negative sentence with will like this. Positive sentences are: the frog prince will marry the princess. We use not after the will. The frog prince will not or won't marry the princess. Then let's see the next one. You will enjoy it. You will or you won't enjoy it. We will come tomorrow. We will not come tomorrow. Likewise, this won't, you will and will are the contraction forms of will and will not. Come, now let us write the short forms. Exercise number 1. Take out your pencil and let's get going. It will be sunny tomorrow. कैसे लिखेंगे हम इसे? It'll be sunny tomorrow. It will be sunny tomorrow. Come on, write it down. IT8 apostrophes double L. The meaning of it will is it will only. But we will write it like this in a contraction form. It will be sunny tomorrow. Now come to the next one. I'll not be late. I will not be late. I'll not be late. I apostrophe double L not be late late. There will not be any fog. There won't be any fog. Write it down. There won't be any fog. THERE there won't be any fog. It's time to do question number 4 of exercise number 1. My father will pick me up from school. My father will pick me up from school. Then the next is, come to the next one. We will not come to your home tomorrow. We won't come to your house tomorrow. We will not come to your house tomorrow. We won't come to your house tomorrow. She will not bake a cake. She'll not bake a cake. Or we can write, she won't bake a cake. Now come to the page number 73. Question number 2. Match the sentence to the picture. Write the letter next to the sentences. Let's try it. See, don't worry. I'll take out your tooth and you won't even know. कौन से पिक्चर में ऐसा हो रहा है? देखो जरा, डॉक्टर कौन से पिक्चर में ऐसा बोल रहा है? डोंट वरी, I'll take out your tooth and you won't even know. Very good बच्चों, थर्ड पिक्चर में, so write it down, 3 here. Then come to the next one. We will come and see you next weekend. कौन से पिक्चर में ऐसा बोला जा रहा है? देखो पिक्चर्स अच्छे से. Yes, in picture number 2. We will come and see you next weekend. Then I will help you with your homework, Meera. कौन से पिक्चर में ये बोला जा रहा है? इस पिक्चर में या इस पिक्चर में? फोर्थ पिक्चर में. So write it down. 4 here. You are late for school. I'll send you home now. कौन से पिक्चर में ऐसा बोल रहे हैं सर स्टूडेंट को? पिक्चर नंबर 1. So write it down 1 here. Understood, dear kids? Now come to exercise number 3. Complete the sentence with will and won't and an action word from the box. बॉक्स में से हमको एक्शन वर्ड्स लेने हैं और इसके साथ will या won't लगाना है. चलो देखते हैं फर्स्ट वाला क्वेश्चन क्या है. एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3 का. अंकल केन हेट्स पार्टीज. ही वोंट कम. राइट इट डाउन. नॉट कम का हमने क्या बना दिया? ही विल नॉट कम का हमने क्या बनाया? ही वोंट कम. लिख लो, ही वोंट कम. नॉट कम का वोंट कम. विल लगाना है ना हमें, तो विल नॉट कम के बदले हमने शॉर्ट फॉर्म लिखा, वोंट कम. नाउ कम टू बी. देयर आर सम बिग क्लाउड्स इन द स्काई. आई थिंक इट विल रेन दिस इवनिंग. वेरी गुड. रेन है तो हमने क्या लगाया? विल. रेन के साथ क्या लगाया? विल. तो विल रेन दिस इवनिंग. आई थिंक इट विल रेन दिस इवनिंग. कम टू द थर्ड वन. यू शुड ईट अ लिटिल मोर और यू विल बी हंग्री वेरी सून. यहाँ पे बी दिया है, हमने क्या लगाया? विल बी. You will be hungry very soon. Come to D. I don't feel well. I think I'll see the doctor this evening. I don't feel well. I will see the doctor this evening. सी दिया है यहाँ पे, हमने यहाँ पे क्या लिख दिया? विल सी, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला है? कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस विथ विल एंड वोंट एंड ऑल्सो यूज द एक्शन वर्ड फ्रॉम द बॉक्स. वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ माई डॉग इज वेरी फ्रेंडली. He won't bite you. लिखो, he won't, W-O-N-T, won't, B-I-T-E, bite. B-I-T-E, bite. He won't bite you. Then come to F. You have not done your homework. Our teacher won't be happy at all. 2 बार बी दिए ना, तो एक बार हमने बी का यूज यहाँ पे किया, यू विल बी हंग्री वेरी सून, और सेकेंड बी का यूज हमने यहाँ पे किया, आवर टीचर वोंट बी हैप्पी एट ऑल. अंडरस्टूड डियर किड्स? Come to question number 4. Complete the paragraph. Use will or won't. And the verbs. देखो verbs हमें ब्रैकेट में दिए हुए हैं. Go, visit, not bake, not go, take. हमें क्या करना है? will और won't लगाना है सेंटेंस के हिसाब से. कम ऑन, मेरे साथ रीड करते जाओ और फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स भी करते जाओ. What can we do this weekend? Question mark. Maybe we will go to cinema and watch a movie. It's a prediction. हम शायद जाएंगे सिनेमा to watch a movie. Then on Sunday we will visit the zoo. Yes, on Sunday we will visit the zoo. लिख लिया बच्चों? We have not gone there in a while. Then I think mom won't bake a cake. Not bake का हमने क्या लिखा? Will लगाना है ना, तो हमने लिखा won't. will not आता तो हमने लिखा won't bake. Then she has a lot of exam papers to correct. She is a teacher at very big school. Dad has promised that he won't go to office this Saturday. He will take me and my sister to the music concert. To a music concert. What fun! Let us read this paragraph one more time. What can we do this weekend? Maybe we will go to cinema and watch movie. On Sunday, we will visit the zoo. We have not gone there in a while. I think mom won't bake a cake. She has a lot of exam papers to correct. She is a teacher at a very big school. Dad has promised that he won't go to office this Saturday. He will take me and my sister to a music concert. What fun! Now it's time to do the last question. Page number 74. Question number 5. Complete the sentence. Use will and will not and an action word from the box. Then tick the sentence which might be true for you. Come on. When I leave school, I will become a famous singer. I will earn a lot of money. I'll marry a princess. I'll help the poor. I'll not stay with where I stay now. I'll take my parents around the world. I'll own many cars. I will travel to the moon in my own spacecraft. Come on, dear kids, write it down. First one is I'll become a famous singer. लिखो I will become a famous singer. When I leave school, what would I do? I'll become a famous singer. I'll earn a lot of money. I'll marry a princess. I'll help the poor. I'll not stay where I stay now. I will take my parents around the world. I will own many cars. I will travel to the moon in my own spacecraft. अब इस सेंटेंस में से which might be true for you, you think which might be true for you, just tick that sentence. Alright? स्कूल के बाद क्या करोगे? फेमस सिंगर बनोगे, लॉट ऑफ मनी अर्न करोगे, प्रिंसेस से शादी करोगे, या पुअर की हेल्प करोगे, या आप जहाँ रहते हो वहां नहीं रहोगे, या आप पेरेंट्स को पूरे वर्ल्ड का टूर कराओगे, या आप अपनी कार्स खरीदोगे, या आप मून में अपनी खुद की स्पेसक्राफ्ट में घूमोगे. कोई भी एक सेंटेंस को आपको टिक कर देना है. So dear kids, this is how we had completed chapter number 18, will and will not. I hope you all understood today's concept, chapter number 17 as well as chapter number 18. So dear kids, that's all for today. See you all tomorrow with our last chapter of PA2. लास्ट चैप्टर ऑफ PA2 यानी PA2 कोर्स का लास्ट चैप्टर, दैट इज चैप्टर नंबर 19 शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स, जो हम कल करने वाले हैं. टिल देन बाय, कीप स्टडिंग, बी स्माइली, बी हैप्पी. सी यू ऑल टुमारो. बाय, टेक केयर, थैंक यू एंड नमस्कार.